So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we talk about top 5 programming languages to learn in 2022. There are many programming languages are in market, but I will suggest you the most important programming languages which will help you in your placement and your internship. So now let's start the video. These are the programming languages you are seeing in the screen are arranged in random numbers. These are C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, Kotlin. So let's talk about our first programming language, which is C++. It is the first programming language for any developer to start. C++ is the best programming languages for data structure and algorithm. So the majority of the people in the world uses C++ for data structure and algorithm. Compile time of C++ is less, so it is used in competitive programming. If you have interest in game development, then you can prefer C++. Let's talk about our next programming language, which is Java. Java is the most popular programming language, especially on its Android development. Java is used as a server-side programming language most of the backend development project. The SDK software development kit of Android is based on Java. It is easier to learn than other most programming languages. Let's move to our third programming language, which is Python. Why I am recommend you to learn Python? Python is a high level programming language and its syntax is like English, so the beginner can easily understand the syntax of the program. You need less line of code to perform same task as compared to the C, C++, Java. Python is easy to write and understand. Python is free and open source programming language, so I will recommend you to learn Python. Let's move on our fourth programming language, which is JavaScript. Why I am recommend you to learn JavaScript? Because of these reasons. JavaScript is a versatile programming language which is used in mobile development and web development. JavaScript has many framework for front-end development like React.js, AngularJS, Vue.js, and also for backend development, which is Node.js. Our fifth programming language is Kotlin. Why I am recommend you to learn Kotlin? Because Kotlin is a programming language which is used in Android development and web development. Kotlin is based on Java Virtual Machine. Kotlin gives a better performance and a small runtime for any application. Kotlin works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, and Linux. Now talk about those people who are going to learn programming. I will recommend them to learn C++. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.